In front of me is Poco F7 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to hit Apps. Then tap on Default Apps, hit Create, and either tap on gray switcher next to any of those apps you wish to clone and hit Turn On in the pop-up, or select one of your recommended apps and click on gray switcher next to Dual Apps here. Following that, adjust all of those options however you want to. So when I go back and check my apps, I can see that they were successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!